Hello, we got the Discourse on Metaphysics, section 12 today, that the notions involved in extension contain something imaginary and cannot constitute the substance of body. Okay, a little background. Extension for Descartes and the Cartesians is the property of basically taking up three-dimensional space, right? It takes up three-dimensional space. It exists extended into three dimensions. And being extended into three dimensions, it's also capable of motion and rest. It's got to have one of those. And being extended into three dimensions, it must have some quantity and some shape, some figure. Okay, now for the Cartesians, for Descartes, to be a body is to be an extended thing. That means a physical body. My Zelda shirt here, it's an extended thing. This it's actually a shower curtain hanging on my wall. It's a body. It's an extended thing. My human body is a body. It's an extended thing. The cat's here. You get the idea. Okay. So Leibniz is saying the notions involved in extension contain something imaginary. Something, we're importing images into it, and cannot constitute the substance of body. But to resume the thread of our discussion, I believe that anyone who will meditate about the nature of substance, as I have explained it above, will find that the nature of body does not consist merely in extension, that is, in size, shape, and motion, but that we must necessarily recognize in body something related to souls, something we commonly call substantial form, even though it makes no change in the phenomena, that is, in how we experience it, any more than do the souls of animals, if they have any. It is even possible to demonstrate that the notions of size, shape, and motion are not as distinct as is imagined, and that they contain something imaginary and relative to our perception, as do, though to a greater extent, color, heat, and other similar qualities about which one can doubt whether they are truly found in the nature of things outside ourselves. That is why qualities of this kind cannot constitute any substance. And if there were no other principle of identity in body other than the one just mentioned, a body could not subsist for more than a moment. Yet the souls and substantial forms of other bodies are entirely different from intelligent souls, which alone know their actions. So that's the difference here between the difference between substantial forms and intelligent souls. Intelligent souls know their own actions. The substantial form are the souls of lesser creatures, including my shirt here, if it has one. And I think what we're going to see is that it has one if it's a genuine unity. We'll get there. Okay, so it doesn't know. It doesn't have knowledge of its perceptions, but everything is perceiving everything. Okay, not only don't intelligent souls perish naturally, but they also always preserve the basis for the knowledge of what they are. This is what renders them alone susceptible to punishment and reward and makes them citizens of the republic of the universe whose monarch is God. It also follows that all other creatures must serve them, something which we will later discuss more fully. Yeah, let's discuss that more fully. I'm not eager to be spouting any Dominion stuff.